Yo, Marlon!
What's up, man? That's biking, man.
You have a good weekend. Enjoy it.
Gotta let the guys know I'm on, man.
All right.
Everybody know I'm on.
Enjoy it. I wanted to see how long I could get that shot for. Not very long, clearly. Foreshadowing is something that's done in storytelling when they allude early in the story to what might happen later in the story. What's up, guys? Tonight, Candace and I may or may not take a train to Connecticut, which would be a really great ending to the vlog. So if that happens, cool. If it doesn't happen, the vlog's just gonna end like the normal vlogs do, and just forget I said this whole bit. Are there or are there not kids waiting outside of my office this morning? There are. Yo, what's up?
Morning. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Before I begin today's vlog in earnest, I have a bit of an announcement to make, which is that I said that I would be monetizing my channel at some point in time. I just wasn't sure when. That time is now. I'm gonna be monetizing soon. The reason why is not that complicated. Owen goes to college next year. I don't know how to pay for college. Maybe this is a viable solution. Sorry, ads suck. I'm so sorry to put you through that, but you know, is what it is. So that's all. We're gonna ride bikes, okay?
No.
I got a bike for you.
No, it's not
I got a bike for
I'm
you.
not riding a Midtown.
Get on the bike.
It's not happening.
I had Jack.
I'm not riding a Midtown on a bike.
We got two bikes, David. We got one bike for you and one bike for me.
It's not happening.
Jack,
I'm a subway man.
he won't ride a bike uptown.
You won't ride a free bike,
To
dude?
Times Square? Can you believe it?
Get rid of this guy. It's fired.
No, I'm gonna take my electric skateboard then. Thanks, dude. I'll see you in a bit.
See you soon.
So I'm headed up to Times Square right now. I've got a meeting at MTV. It's far from where I am, and I have to beat David there, who took the subway. Yes, this is exactly as scary as it looks. This is gonna be a tight one.
Can I get a picture of you real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, thank you, man.
Nice to meet you. Take care. Viacom 1515. This is where I'm headed. I can see David outside. He thinks that he beat me here. Little does he know I'm waiting inside for him. Glad you could make it.
Hey, good morning. I have his two guests here, David and Casey.
This elevator has amazing lighting. We are meeting with the folks at Viacom MTV today to talk about how they might use Beme for some of their stuff, right?
That's right. Hey.
Oh, hey there. We're at the secret room in MTV headquarters here. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy. My eyes are playing tricks on me. And it's flexible. Holy smokes. It's a curtain. And you can put whatever you want on it. That is amazing. I have so many wants. All right, leaving this crazy room now, we're gonna go out this secret door here. Trapped. And now we're in a coffee shop. It's amazing. Yeah, it's very Willy Wonka in here. Thanks for taking the time.
Of course, thank you for meeting with another dude in a suit, which is super fun.
People
It's
must take pictures.
Yeah.
Take care. David, I'm going to take the subway back with you because I felt bad for ditching you on the way.
Is that the real reason?
No, my skateboard's out of juice. Okay, this is our stop. I was gonna do a mail time today, but this is more packages than I think I could unwrap by the end of the day. I mean, this is crazy. So, thank you everyone for sending me all that stuff. I'll open all of it soon. I just don't feel like right now is the time. But there are 2 boxes here. I know what this is. I put the wheels on upside down. Ah! Alright. Alright, I think I got it put together. This part and this part are the only parts that I didn't put in there. By the way, I know I edited that down to make it look like I put it together in 2 seconds, but it actually took me like 20 minutes. Nice stroller. Okay, Bugaboo Runner. Francine is going to love it. Put your face back in there.
We'll have to zip it up.
It was zipped. She broke it.
I'll fix it. So we don't need this thing, right? All these extra things?
No.
I'm just not going to bring them. So.
The other puppy's ready. You don't go in a bag. Alright. Here we go, Gigi. Ready? And we're off. Got it?
Do you have your keys? Because I don't have one right now.
I have mine. Headed to Penn Station now. We're going to be sneaking the poodle on the train, which is strictly forbidden, but we've got a plan.
Brand new car, good service, air working. What do you need?
I don't know what to tell you.
I don't know. Be careful, be careful. Okay, because bike.
That Uber driver was completely crazy.